Hi, I'm Huahua, an illustrator. I do many kinds of illustrations, including background and character concept art for games, comics, picture books, and printmaking. Although I illustrate a lot for commercial purposes, my own interest lies in visual storytelling. In my first college, I studied media and graphic design, but I found that I loved painting and drawing much more, so I transferred to an art school and began the journey of illustration study. For me, drawing is a way to heal myself from emotions and feelings. All of the stories I created are based on my daily life experience. I love the feeling of actually turning my interest into a career while being seen and supported by the audience who will share various understandings of my work. I want to share this joy with you. In this class, we will cover not only the techniques such as anatomy, color, and software skills, but also the idea of how to bring out an original visual story. I will explain how I use Photoshop to draw my work step by step. I will also mention other media that I'm familiar with, whether it is digital or manual, to help choose the most suitable method based on different ideas. No matter who you are and what background you're from, no worries about making mistakes. Let's start the storytelling journey. I'm Huahua, and this is Telling a Visual Story in Your Heart 101.